Hey everyone! What do you like to do during summer?
Do you go swimming, travel, have picnics, or spend time with friends?
Let's listen to a simple and natural conversation about summer activities.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation about summer activities.
This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills naturally and easily.
Hi, Paul. Summer is finally here. Do you have any plans?
Hi, Emily. Yes, I have a few plans for this summer.
Really? What do you want to do?
I want to spend more time outside. I usually stay at home, but I want to enjoy the nice weather this year.
That sounds great. What outdoor activities do you like?
I like going for walks, riding my bike, and having picnics.
Nice. I love picnics too. They're perfect for summer.
Yes, we can bring sandwiches, fruit, drinks, and some snacks.
And we can sit under a tree and relax.
Exactly. It sounds peaceful.
Do you like going to the beach?
Of course, I love the beach in summer.
What do you usually do there?
I swim, walk along the beach, and take pictures.
That sounds like a fun day. Speaking of swimming, when was the last time you went swimming?
Last summer, I went to a swimming pool with my friends.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, we spent almost the whole afternoon there.
Wow. Did you swim a lot?
Yes, but I'm not a very good swimmer.
Me neither. I just enjoy being in the water.
Same here. Swimming is a great way to cool down when it's hot.
That's true. Summer can get really hot.
Yes, I always bring a bottle of water when I go outside.
Good idea. Staying hydrated is important, especially on hot days.
I also wear a hat and use sunscreen.
Very smart.
Emily, are you planning to travel this summer?
Yes, I'm thinking about taking a short trip with my family.
Where do you want to go?
We haven't decided yet. Maybe we'll visit a small town near the mountains.
That sounds wonderful.
I want to stay somewhere quiet and enjoy nature.
Will you stay in a hotel?
Maybe we might rent a small house.
That would be nice. You could cook your own meals.
Exactly. And we can go hiking during the day.
I love hiking, but I don't like hiking when it's too hot.
Then we should go early in the morning.
Good idea. We can watch the sunrise too.
That would be beautiful. What do you like to do in the evening during summer?
I like sitting outside and talking with my friends.
Me too. Summer evenings are relaxing.
Sometimes we have a barbecue.
Oh, I love barbecues.
We usually cook chicken, vegetables, and some sausages.
That sounds delicious.
After dinner, we listen to music and talk.
Do you ever watch movies outside?
Yes, we sometimes have an outdoor movie night.
Really? That sounds fun.
We put some chairs in the garden, make some popcorn, and watch a movie.
I want to try that this summer.
You should. It's simple but really enjoyable.
So, Paul, what is the most important thing you want to do this summer?
I want to relax, spend time with my family, and try some new activities.
That's a great plan.
What about you?
I want to travel, go swimming, and have more outdoor meals with my family.
Sounds like you have a busy summer.
Maybe, but I want to enjoy every moment.
That's the best way to spend summer.
I agree. Summer is a great time to make memories.
Absolutely.
Now it's your turn.
What do you like to do during summer?
Do you like swimming, traveling, having picnics, or spending time with your family?
Tell us about your favorite summer activity in the comments.
Thanks for listening to Everyday English Learning.
Keep practicing your English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.